In this video you will get to see how the negative energy is talking to you. Most of the people in the world, the negativity communicates with them unknowingly. People are not aware of it because the negative energy is the one that is currently ruling the world, the human consciousness. So most of the people carry all these negative ingredients such as hatred, jealousy, insecurity, controlling others, bossism, anger, and many more other things. Currently the human consciousness, every human, he's got just 50% of his own personality, but rest of the 50% is filled by the influence of the negative energy, which is of Kali. Kali's energy is totally filled. 50% of the human consciousness is filled totally by his influence. The human consciousness has got only 40% of their control and 10% of the divine control, which is very less actually. With the help of 40% they cannot supersede the 50%. So the negative energy communicates with you through the ear. Maybe you get to hear certain voices from within. If you hate someone, so you get to hear certain directions from within that that person is doing some negative actions towards you, so you should also take some actions to stop him. Actually that person is not doing negative actions towards you, but the guidance from within you, because of your hatred, he is projecting as if the other person is doing negative actions towards you, and before he does, you take negative actions towards him. That is the influence of Kali. If you have the smell of jealousy, you get to hear the voices from within, or probably somebody, you feel as if somebody is talking to you, as if your own self is, it's not your own self actually, it's the negative energy that is communicating with you to take certain actions, and those actions will be negative actions in the world. If you carry the smell of insecurity, you will get to hear certain actions related to insecurity. You feel insecurity and then you will take some actions, negative actions, that will have impact in the world towards some people. In the same way, if you carry anger, hatred, for all these things, some voice will be guiding from within. 99.99% of the people today have this problem. The negativity is communicating with them, influencing them to take negative actions. Even great spiritual practitioners cannot avoid this. And that negative energy causes problem between creation, sustenance, and dissolution energies. This is the main reason actually that is causing the world today to fight for religions. The problem between all the religions is this. This is the problem. So people will always fight each other. Kali means actually Kala. Kala means always fighting with each other. Some misunderstanding will be there all the time with all the people. So Kali means fighting always. You don't agree with the other person. You are only happy with yourself. You cannot depend on your husband. You cannot totally believe or have faith in your husband. At the same time, you will also not have faith in your wife, your children, your boss, your father, mother, everything. So you cannot basically be happy with any person. There is one great man called Daksha, who is the father of Parvati, who is the wife of Shiva. You know, this man was almost like the one who actually started showing the culture to the humanity. This man had such responsibility. He was so pious. He would have lot of knowledge in Vedas. He would have direct communication with the divine. He would have direct communication with the Trinity, and he would carry so many divine powers and all. But still, that man, he carried little smell of hatred towards Shiva, because of some story that happens between his father Brahma and Shiva. So he started developing hatred. This Daksha started developing hatred towards Shiva, and that makes him develop more and more severe hatred. And then once the hatred develops, jealousy, insecurity, anger, and all these brothers, negative brothers, will be helping the increment of this hatred ingredient, and then that person would start behaving so badly in the world. So this man, he was so powerful, he was spiritually so powerful, but still he was not able to stand with the negative energy that is communicating to him. And that negative energy is Kali. Kali is not only there now. Kali started his work ever since the creation started. He always wanted his time, his ruling to come. So he kept on invading the human consciousness and also divine consciousness in various ways. He never quit his trials to inject negativity into human consciousness and divine consciousness also. All the demigods, positive cosmic management team, to them also he injected negativity. He is such powerful in negativity. So today the current time and space belonging to his ruling, he is injecting negativity into all the people, almost all the people. Even great spiritualists cannot avoid, just like Daksha. People cannot avoid. Today people are not so powerful like Daksha. Those days, in the ancient days, he attacked, the negative energy attacked great spiritualists like Daksha also. Today, spiritualists are not such powerful. So imagine what kind of attack he would have and what kind of influence he would have on the human consciousness. If you have little smell of jealousy, that's enough. You are gone. He will make sure that the ingredient jealousy hits the top level, and then you will naturally develop anger, hatred, and all these things, and then your personality is totally ruined. He makes sure that you are ruined, you are distracted. Your physical life, your mental life, your spiritual life, your soul totally will be corrupted, and the advancement of your physical life, mind and soul also will be totally distracted. So he's got such impact. You get to hear some voices in the ear, or you get to hear some directions coming from within, because most of the people are lost in the external world, doing several activities. So they will be thinking something, doing some work, whatever the work they do, or they may be traveling, or they may be driving, or they may be just simply sitting and then watching TV. even they are watching TV, they are attentive to their work, they will get to hear so many voices from within. And those voices will always talk bad about others. And those directions not only would come in the form of voices, but they would also come in the form of thoughts. So, if you have negative thought, if you have negative direction from within, negativity means negativity always takes you towards being personal, not universal. Being personal means you give importance only to your body, you, your job, your family, or your body, your happiness. So any thought or any voice that talks bad about others, that makes you keep on remembering past situations, people and all, then those thoughts and those directions will make you act in the real world. And he will not leave you just with one thought. He'll keep on pumping so many thoughts. He will not leave you till you take the bad action. So that powerful this negative energy of Kali is. So most of the people, 99.99% of the people in the world are totally under the influence of this negative energy today, and all their actions are towards the development of negativity alone in the world currently. You can probably check this video. I will show you a video clip. You will get to hear how the negative energy talks to you. You can get to see these visuals. He will create doubts, comparison, and then he will make you understand totally the opposite way. You will not be able to perfectly see the other person and understand the situation. You will understand the situation and the people in opposite way, in a negative way, always. And then you will develop false beliefs and opinions, and then you will start fighting with them, and you will start having misunderstandings with them. This is the way the world is right now. Even closest relationships have got a lot of problems. So he will never let you have clarity in situations and people. And then you will lose importance of love totally. No importance for love. You will only compare and go for false rationality. It's not right rationality, false rationality. Rationality that will shrink your consciousness. It will not let you expand your consciousness. It will shrink your consciousness to think about only you, me, my body, my clothes, my house, my children, my family, my wife. Even that they will not go for 100%. If it comes to existence of the body, that person can even dupe or cheat his own wife, children and all, leave them. So finally he will give importance to only his body. There is no sacrifice, there is no question of sacrifice, there is no question of love. Only existence of that body, its sensual enjoyment and things that belong to that body, only those are important. So he will make you totally shrink your consciousness only to the body, and that is how you will totally disassociate from all the other relations in the world, including with your children, wife, husband, parents and all. So even if you have relationships with your family, but when the real situation comes, you will even be ready to cheat them, dupe them. That is how he will make you. And he will make you totally get rid of pure love. Only the pretending love will be there. Only the pretending love is there in the relationships now. And it will get worse and worse in the coming years. So now, after watching these visuals, I am sure you must have understood how the negative energy communicates with you. Now, the only way you can overcome this influence of negativity is by chanting the integration mantra. Integration mantra means, see, there are so many mantras that are there in the world, especially if that comes from Vedas and Hinduism, or probably Vedas and Sanatan Dharma and all. But all those mantras help you develop your personality and spiritually grow. But the development of personality, the spiritual growth needs to happen in an integrated way, not an individual way. Integrated way meaning, see, you are a person and this whole human consciousness is like an ocean. And in that ocean, your boss, your wife, your husband, your siblings, your office, your customers, your neighbors, all are there in this world. All are there in this ocean. So, this Hari Om consciousness that I am talking about, by chanting the mantra of Hari Om, what happens is, you will be integrated with this oceanic consciousness. And then you will start behaving well in an integrated way. You will start thinking in an integrated way. You will start talking in an integrated way. You will start acting in an integrated way. That universal consciousness will be developed if you chant this Hari Om mantra. And that is the only way you can win this, you can work against this negative energy of Kali. Problems in life are due to this individual, non-integrated perception and experience in life. It is because of this individual, non-integrated experience and individuality, you have the problems of finances, career problems, health issues, and many more other relationship issues and all in real life. It's all because of this lack of integrated perception and integrated experience of human consciousness. When you have that experience, your true prosperity will start. You will start seeing certain problems being resolved in your life, and you will start actually experiencing the true happiness and prosperity in life. So if you want to know about this whole technology of Hari Om, probably you can check the website hariom.life. We have various online courses being available there based on your profile. If you are interested, you can take up those courses and enhance your personality and experience the true prosperity in life. Hari Om.